Welcome to Crazy with Cooking with Chef Sisu. But I have bubble tea also. Bubble tea with it. So I'm going to show you how to make very healthy bubble tea smoothie. Okay, guys. I'm going to show you how. Okay, first mango, fresh mango, but from frozen. Frozen is fresh. Because when it's frozen, everything is good. Fresh mango. And I have this vegetable we call pak dog. Okay, this is very good vegetable herb and to make a smoothie called pak dog. Okay, I put all in there, and I have some ice. A lot of ice, and I have some lime juice. Lime juice. Just add on lime juice. Spice up a little bit. Yeah, that's it. And this is orange juice. Just put orange juice in here. Just put like enough to blend it, you know. Oh yes, celery, yes, yes, celery in the refrigerator. And this is celery. I'm gonna put a lot of this celery. There you go. Oh, healthy. Celery. Then I have an avocado. One avocado. This smoothie right here is not gonna make you hungry. When you make this one, you're gonna be full. If you wanna lose weight, this is what I show you right here. This is what you need to do. You don't have to be like my kind of vegetable. You can put any kind of vegetable, whatever you need available in your home. So just do what you got. This long vegetable, you know. I just got my kind, so I made this one. Okay, I'm gonna put whole avocado here. You know, whatever you available to use smoothie, you can do it. You don't have to be exactly like me. But if you want to get full, add avocado on here. Avocado. If you want mango, you know, mango they already cut for you, put in the freezer. So you don't have to cut mango the so old-fashioned way. Buy frozen mango, the whole big bag, about $17-18. That's what I buy. You can go to Sam Club, they even have that, about $9-10 for a bag. But avocado you can buy anywhere. So I'm gonna do, put avocado in here. So I have so much vegetable and everything on there. I'm gonna go ahead and add on more orange juice to make an easy smoothie. Very easy to blend it. Make it very easy, so loose it out. So make it better. And I'm gonna go ahead blend it. Oh my God, so full. I'm gonna go ahead blend it, okay? Okay, ready to blend it. Are you ready? Yep. Okay, here we go. Let's go. go ahead one more time. Make it nice. see. Just ready. Done. Look at this. Okay, smoothie. Ready. Look at that. How nice and green. We got vegetable and avocado, all that. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it in the cup. Do you want a bubble? For me, I'm gonna put a little bubble, just a little bit for taste. You know, we sell bubble tea, so I have to have bubble in here, just for taste. That's all. So this is healthy. Look at that guy. Oh my God, looking good. Look at that. Look at so creamy. Look at that, so creamy. Can you see? Oh yes. Look at that.
Light food.
Yep.
Plant food.
Plant fruit and fruit. Where is the top? Can you give me top, please?
Yep. There you go.
Can you give it to me?
Yep.
One more. Here you have that. Healthy smoothie, easy to make, you know. The guy say you can be with any kind of vegetable as long as you got avocado, the vegetable, celery, broccoli, or kelp, or something like that. If you want to make it moist and loose it out, you have to use orange juice. Orange juice, they already have this kind of sweeten a little bit, make a taste. If you really want tasty a little bit more, you can add on lime juice or whatever you want, you know. It's just so healthy. And I do this every day. But believe me, customers don't want to eat healthy, and I am eat healthy. When the end of the time, I'm gonna make my smoothie just for me, because customers they want sugar, so I make what they want. Here you go, hon. Share too.
Yes. Happy Friday.
Happy Friday. Yep. Okay, guys, if you like this video, thumbs up, subscribe. And I will come up more idea to show you. Let's drink to show you good drink, good food. That's what I'm doing. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. You know, crazy rich cooking with Chef Sisu. Anything happen, you guys. The drink, anything, any drink happen, any food happen, whatever. Never limit. So, cheers. Happy Friday. Thank you for watching. Bye.